Are there SBA loans for women? Successful businesswomen of the world rejoice. There are SBA loans specifically there to help you grow your business. It may require a lot of documentation and a lot of explanation about your business to get the loan, but it's most likely worth it. But your loan is methodical and detailed, and you're prepared for those hassles as well as incentives the SBA is providing because of your gender. SBA is offering a pre-qualified program that streamlines the SBA loan process just for women business owners like you. Like other SBA loans, you go through intermediaries for this loan, but you'll be smart and pick the right one, avoiding the intermediaries with unfair fees. Why is SBA offering these loans? Because they understand the importance of women in the small business community and the vital need to help women meet their business needs, especially when so much is stacked against them. The growing number of brilliant businesswomen makes this a great investment. Women are included in groups that qualify for SBA's 504 program along with other underrepresented groups. With this loan, you can get up to $2 million as a businesswoman in your community. Now, 504 has special requirements and restrictions, especially for the 504 for women, which has a significant amount for funding beyond even the normal for the 504 program. So for a woman out there who need a good SBA loan, talk to an intermediary for pre-qualification or your local lender to get started by getting more information. Brought to you by www.unsecuredbizloan.com.